Welcome to Blogging Mantra YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you my detailed Udemy course which I have given the discount prices. Its original price is 2200 and I will provide you 385 only. And this course is very important if you want to learn blogging and what is the secrets of blogging. So I have just started Udemy courses and I will provide the link of this course. You will just enroll this course to get a 385 rupees only. So its original price is 2200. It's more than 83% off today only, and last day to save this 24 hour 12 hours only remaining. So just enroll this course. This course is very important if you are looking for a secret tips to rank your website, secret tips to optimize your website, secret tips to increase your website speed, secret tips to international blog traffic, and later I will provide the weekly 2 or 3 video on this course. So if you enroll this course in just 385 rupees, full 4 hours on demand video and full lifetime you can access. Whenever I update new video, you can just means you can freely available to watch this video, and I will every week I will upload new video about the secret tips of blogging. So please enroll this course. It's not a big amount, just 385 rupees. It's not a big amount. So I will just suggest you just enroll this course. This course I have just provide the secret tips how to start an SEO optimized blog that rank faster, and what should be the future blogging strategy to boost Google rank, and each and every topic I will just detailed video I have just uploaded, and this course is 4 hours on demand video I have just uploaded. And second, my course is Hindi language. So if you are looking for a English language, then just enroll this the secret of blogging, and if you are looking for a Hindi course, just enroll this course. And this course name is प्रैक्टिकल के साथ ब्लॉगिंग सीखे बिगिनर टू एडवांस. दिस कोर्स also similar to English course, and its language is different. It's a Hindi language, and that is one is the English language. So this course price is similar to English language, 385 rupees only, and original price is 1200 rupees, and that course original price is 2200, and this course original price is 1200 only. So if you are looking for a Hindi language to start your blogging career in Hindi language, so just enroll this course also. And this course also I have provided the secrets of blogging to rank your website. कैसे आपको अपनी वेबसाइट को रैंक करवाना है, क्या मतलब कैसे आपकी वेबसाइट की स्पीड बढ़ाना है, यदि आपकी वेबसाइट blogspot.com में हो या चाहे किसी भी लैंग्वेज में हो, किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म में हो, आप कैसे उसको रैंक करवा सकते हो, कैसे डू फॉलो लिंक बनाना है, कैसे बैक लिंक बनाना है, ऑन पेज एसईओ क्या है, सब कुछ मैंने इस वीडियो इस कोर्स में कवर किया है. जस्ट 385 रुपये आपको पे करना है, लाइफ टाइम आप एक्सेस कर पाओगे. प्लस जब भी मैं मतलब वीकली में 1 या 2 वीडियो ज़रूर इसमें सीक्रेट टिप्स के बारे में डालते रहूँगा, और वो आप लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस कर पाओगे. ऐसे तो मैं यूट्यूब में डालते रहता हूँ, लेकिन this course I will also provide the in detail video to secrets of blogging. So just enroll this both of course. If you are looking for a Hindi language course, just enroll this course. If you are looking for a English language course, so just enroll this secrets of blogging. This both the course is my course, and you just find here both the course I have just published in Udemy platform. I will provide the link of coupon code. So just enroll this course and keep watching my secret tips video. on lifetime. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and if this video is valuable for you, just subscribe my channel and like this video, so more and more people who want to learn blogging secrets to watch that video. So please subscribe this channel and enroll this course. Thank you for watching.